Our flag does not fly because the wind moves it. It flies with the last breath of each soldier who died protecting it. जय हिंद, आप सभी को मेरा नमस्कार. Fourth Paramveer Chakra awardees of 1971 war are examples of extraordinary bravery, leadership and sacrifice. Their stories epitomize the valor of Indian Army. Second Lieutenant Arun Khetrapal. During the Battle of Basantar on 16th December 1971, Second Lieutenant Arun Khetrapal single-handedly destroyed 10 enemy tanks. Even when his tank was hit and it burst into flames, he refused to abandon his tank and declared that his tank was still firing and he would get the bastards, and kept on firing until he got martyred. For his supreme sacrifice, National Defence Academy, Khadakbasla, Pune named the parade ground Arun Khetrapal Ground. In Indian Military Academy, Dehradun, the auditorium and main gate bear his name. Lance Nayak Albert Ikka. During the Battle of Ganga Sagar on 3rd December 1971, Lance Nayak Albert Ikka was a part of an attack on Pakistani defences. He displayed immense bravery by charging on Pakistani bunkers, bayoneting 2 soldiers and silencing a light machine gun. He was seriously wounded. In spite of that, he went on to clear other bunkers and crawled towards a fortified building from which an enemy medium machine gun was firing, killing 1 soldier with a grenade, scaling the wall and bayoneting the other soldier finally to silence the gun, and he got martyrdom. Flying Officer Nirmaljit Singh Sekhon. On 14th December 1971, despite being outnumbered, Flying Officer Nirmal Singh Sekhon took off his Nat fighter and engaged 6 Pakistani sabres and damaged 2 and chased away the remaining 1, and fought valiantly until his aircraft was shot down. Flying Officer Nirmaljit Singh remains the only Indian Air Force officer to be awarded Paramveer Chakra. Major Hoshiar Singh Dahiya. In the Battle of Basantar on 15th and 16th December 1971, Major Hoshiar Singh Dahiya led his company in an assault under intense firing, machine gun firing and shelling. Undeterred, they engaged hand-to-hand combat and successfully captured the objective. The Pakistani army launched 3 counterattacks. Despite intense firing, Major Dahiya moved from trench to trench, motivating his men and inspiring them to hold the ground. The company repulsed all the attacks, inflicting heavy casualties on the enemy. During a subsequent attack, an enemy shell landed near a medium machine gun and injuring the crews. Major Dahiya, in spite of getting severely wounded, refused to be evacuated, took command of the machine gun and started firing till the ceasefire. Major Dahiya was the first to be awarded Paramveer Chakra while alive. वतन के सरबुलंदी में हमारा नाम हो शामिल, गुज़रते रहना है हमें सदा ऐसे मुकामों से. जय हिंद.